Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best gadgets and tools for your home. Today, we're looking at one of the most versatile vacuums out there, the best 3-in-1 Turbo Vac Bissell Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum. If you're tired of juggling different cleaning tools for your home, this vacuum might just be your new favorite. Let's start with what makes this Bissell vacuum stand out. This model is incredibly lightweight, weighing just 2.6 pounds, making it easy to maneuver and carry around the house. Whether you're cleaning floors, upholstery, or even your car, this vacuum gets the job done with minimal effort. It's a bagless vacuum, so you won't have to worry about the hassle of replacing bags. The dust cup is easy to empty, making maintenance a breeze. One of the best features of the Bissell Featherweight is its 3-in-1 functionality. You can use it as a stick vacuum, hand vacuum, or stair vacuum, making it perfect for all kinds of cleaning tasks. Need to clean your floors? Use it as a stick vacuum to cover large areas quickly. Need to get into tight spaces or clean your furniture? Just detach the hand vacuum. And when it's time to tackle the stairs, simply attach the floor nozzle to the hand vacuum for an easy stair cleaning solution. In terms of power, the Bissell Featherweight doesn't disappoint. It has powerful suction that makes quick work of dirt and debris, whether it's on hard floors, low-pile carpets, or rugs. With a 15-foot cord, you have plenty of reach to move around without constantly switching outlets. It's perfect for quick pickups, especially when you need a fast solution for a messy area. Another great feature is the included crevice tool, which helps you get into those hard-to-reach areas like between couch cushions or along baseboards. And if you're cleaning stairs, the vacuum's lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use without straining yourself. When it comes to versatility, this vacuum covers it all. The Bissell Featherweight Stick Vacuum is not just for cleaning floors. It's a multi-purpose tool that adapts to your needs, making it an ideal addition to your cleaning routine. So, if you're looking for a compact, powerful vacuum that can handle a variety of tasks, this might be the right fit for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best products for your home.